Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another survival farm episode, and I have some things to explain before we start today's video. So, I got my beans knocked out, but um I forgot to hit the record button. So, we're an episode behind. So, I thought to make up for that is to go and help out another farmer. And now the farmer I'm referencing is my other friend who lives over in Michigan, who runs his own organic farm. So he does carrots, and he said he's gonna try to start doing some spinach now. So we're gonna go over and help him in Michigan, and we're gonna go help him plant. But now, absolutely nobody's thinking, Caleb, you have an old truck. That's not gonna make it to Michigan. Well, that's why I got this. Can't really see it, but I got this. This is a 2019 uh 3500. Pull it. See, it is very nice looking. So this is our new truck. I still have my old one, don't worry. But that the S10 that I had, I actually got a really good deal on it. Somebody bought it for $25,000. Or it was like I bought it. I sold it like 2 months ago. I forgot the price was. It was either 25 or 30,000. I'm not sure. But with that, someone was selling this for 20,000 for some reason. So new truck. It came with a flatbed. That's nice. And another addition. I'm gonna turn this off real quick. Another addition is the cab on the 4020 and the duals. And another is this uh, 9 shank uh, mulch tiller is what I was told it is. About $2,000 and about 3,000 for the duals and hood cab. So I'm just trying to get you all up to date on this. My combine is over at Daryl's shop. He made his shop over the winter. He had one trucked over. Not really sure how he did that, but oh well. Okay. And I gotta go get my stuff ready to go. So we can go head over to Michigan. Jeez, it's cold in there. I need to build a house soon. You know what else I need to do? I need to till. That's gonna be hopefully next episode. Ooh, I gotta plant that grass field as well. Shoot. Okay. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go get on the road. Alright. Let's get the GPS going, and I'll see you guys in Michigan. Alright, guys, welcome to Michigan. Not really sure what part of Michigan, kind of forgot. Well, it actually looks like we're in the more northern area. So, I think it's yeah, GPS says turn this way. Okay, so one of the reasons I'm going to be helping him with this, with planting, we are planting carrots. I'm not sure about spinach though. If I can keep it on the road. The reason I'm coming over here mainly is because we made a deal where if I helped him, I would get one of his tractors. Now, I'm not sure which one it is, but he said it's the older one of the two. This is his place. I'm not going to pull in the driveway. I'm going to pull right over into here. Not a not too bad of a setup. It's got a lot of Got a lot of equipment, more than me, but I'm starting out. Just pull it right here. All right. Oh, it is nice to stretch your legs. Well, I'm going to talk to not, yeah, his name is Dylan. I almost called him Daryl. I'm going to talk to Dylan, and we'll see what he wants to do. All right, I'll get to it. So, Dylan said that across the road is is going to be my new tractor. So, I'm gonna run over here. Wonder if you can make this jump. Ah, nope. Well, now I'm wet. That's fun. Okay, said it's older one of the two. Wait, he has goats? Hey, Billy Bob. Okay, stop being distracted. So he said the older one of the two. Don't really know what he has. I wonder if this is it? 1066? I don't know. In here? Are you? So that is probably the one that we're taking. Huh. For a second, I thought we were taking this. But I guess not, because this is older, I believe. Must feed with it. But anyways, he's got a Fent? Oh. Alright, so he's gonna do the planting, I guess. Because I don't know anything. But alright. So he said that I should go and pick up the rest of the bales in the waterways. So he has this little setup here with a bale spear and a bale wagon. There we go. She actually fires up pretty good. So there we go. Runs kind of smooth. Ooh, got an old international, just well, not just like me, but looks old. Okay, so the only ones I can see are these two. I think I saw another one over here. Yeah, one over there. So I'm gonna actually shouldn't go right there. I'm gonna. Um, I don't want to go. I'm gonna have to go in the field. So we're on. Oh, Okay, there we go. Almost got it stuck. There we go. I already have the two picked up. Just gonna turn around the field. Um, he said that to unload them, he'll usually just use the skid loader, so I guess we're gonna go do that. So right there. I didn't really see what he had for a skid loader. 90. That's a lot older than my Bobcat. Well, it's not even foot controlled. It's those levers. And he said that he uses these pallet forks to unload them. So I guess we're doing that. Don't know why he doesn't have a bale spear. You're gonna have to ask him that. Cool, cool, cool. Well, I'm just gonna leave it right. It's not in the way. Never mind. I'm going to drop all this off back to where I found it, and he said that those I don't know what it was, but it was like the they were dividers. I'm not sure what you call them, regimakers, where you can put the crop in between. I ran a stop sign. Huh, fun. So it's one of these. He said to grab one. I don't know how he keeps this running. I don't think it's. I don't think it has enough horsepower to do it. But whatever the boss man says. Okay, so the fields that he said we are doing are for carrots is going to be this one. Oh wait, which one was it? It was I think it was the small one and this big one right here. So I am going to be pretty busy with that. Huh. Alright. Well then I better get to it. Don't want GPS or anything. I'll lower it down and turn the PTO on. Alright. Oh, it's actually kind of satisfying. Alright then, well, I'm gonna get going with this, so see you guys when I'm done.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big.
So we were rolling on this bigger field, and Dylan actually called and said that that's going to be a spinach field, so this smaller, bigger field is going to be for carrots. But now I did not see any carrot harvesters, so I wonder if he's getting like new ones, would be my best guess. So I mean that's not really my department to worry about. This is not my farm. But now the tractor that I wish I could be getting out of this deal would be like a 1086. Or yeah, like a 1086 or a 1486, I believe they make. They made, but not that this isn't nice, but something with a cab. Which now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put this on. And I gotta find a corn planter. Shoot. Ah, that's another thing I gotta find. Well, it's not the biggest thing in the world, but technically, if I ran one of these on the 4020 and one of these on 1066, technically we could get it done in like a day. So, also it's not really big acres, so even if I did it by myself, it wouldn't take a day. Hopefully, I can find something before April. Or hang on, January, February, March, April, May, June. No. May because you can't plant in April in a farming simulator, apparently. I don't know why, but oh, um, what just happened? No, seriously, what just happened? Oh, the drawbar broke. You kidding me? Well, I suppose that's another reason why Dylan wanted it gone. That's great. Accidentally, accidentally hit the unhook button, but that kind of worked out perfectly. So I'm just gonna put this here and call Dylan. Yep, yeah, I got it. All right, will do. Well, I got off the phone with Dylan, and he said that um he will pay for the he will he will pay for it because it's technically not mine yet. So he said to use the Fent for now. I'm gonna unhook everything. He said that he's gonna possibly get planting later after I'm done. So then we can swap that all out. But this is a Ivy. No, yeah, I no because John Deere makes the IVT and Fendt and Case make the CVT. So this is a CVT, and actually at the 2024 Farm Progress Show, I played a simulator that Fendt produced, and I drove like one of their bigger tractors, and it was kind of fun. So I somewhat know my way around this. Okay, so and this one actually has GPS. Turn it on, set it down, and we are rolling. Oh, this is much nicer. Still go the same speed, but it's really nice. All right, well, I'm going to get to this, and I'll see you guys when I'm done.
2,000 years later.
All right, we're getting to our last pass of the day, and I'm pretty sure that Dylan's going to hook the planter back up to this. Or who knows, he might even let me plant a small field. Okay, just a little farther, and there we go. Perfect. So now the whole field is done. Wonder, there's no information after it. There's no information after you do it, so I wonder. Okay. Well, I'm going to sneak through here. I wonder if I wonder if Dylan's gonna just send me on my way with the tractor, or if he's going to drop it off at like an implement quickly. Not so sure. Put this right there. Ooh, he's got a weeder. Okay. All right. So I gotta go hook the planter up, and all the GPS should be in this. this screen, I think. I don't know too much about Fent or, carrot, not row crop, but I don't know what you call these kind of farmers. All right, I'm just gonna get it unfolded for him and go grab some seed. This thing's kind of beat up. I noticed this. I am so glad that I didn't have to use this. Oh my gosh, that would have taken forever. Alright, so just grab some seed. Wait, this is supposed to weigh. Just gonna ignore how unrealistic the weights are. Okay, so I got it filled up with seed. Gonna move the truck now. And Dylan said that I can try my luck at planting a small field. So I guess we're gonna see what I can do. Alright, grab my morning coffee. Now I'm gonna head out and get to planting. That's why you look both ways before you cross the road, kids. So we had to wait 2 days because it rained. Alright, there we go. So am I planting anything? Yeah, I am. Cool. Alright then.
6.5 hours later.
There's off Dylan goes. So now I guess it's time for me to go home. I just realized something. I didn't bring a trailer. Why not think ahead? I want to bring my tractor home, but I can't really bring my tractor home if I don't have a trailer. But anyways, I guess I'm gonna head. I'll figure it out later. So I'm gonna head home tomorrow. See what else I can do around here. So thank you guys for watching today's video. It's probably going to be a bit longer, and or I'll split it into 2 parts. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and goodbye.